Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to lower the pitch of the voice of our text-to-speech application in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option and how to change pitch of our speech. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, next talk back, and here we have settings. In settings we have text to speech settings, and in here we have this slider. So we have default settings.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
We can lower pitch of the voice,
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
or we can make it higher
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
if we need to. No need to save, just back out to our home screen, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.